the ZeroLemon battery pack case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So I want to give them a shout out for sending this over for review. So let's dive right in. ZeroLemon.com, check out their website if you want. On the back of the packaging, check that out. You can pause the video if you want to read that. Let's see on top, barcode says ZeroLemon, Samsung Get Well's cut off, but it says black, new, all that good stuff. All right, so let's just open this. Just rip this open. There we go. Got it. Whoop. Throw that to the side. And let's see, what is this? Weekly giveaways, QR code. And on the back, 12 months extended warranty. I have another QR code. Instruction manual. Try to see if I can figure this out myself. Take a look at this if you want. And this one says ZeroLemon equals zero defect, 100% ZeroLemon promise to you. And some more information here if you want to read that, some legal stuff, etc. All right, so in here, let's open this one. Where can I open this? Okay. Nothing else in there, put that to the side. And here is the case itself. As you can see, very substantial here. Check out the thickness. Okay, on the back, you have your massive cutout for your cameras and fingerprint scanner, ZeroLemon branding, your battery indicator, your switch. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to activate and turn off. That's what that says. And on the inside of the case is this nice and soft felt material, will not scratch your Note 9. And on the bottom, battery case for Note 9 and some information there, input, output, model number, etc. And looking at the inside, it's where you see your USB input. And on the bottom of the case, your cutouts. So check that out. All right, cutout on top for your mic, your raise buttons for the power, volume rocker, Bixby, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and put the Note 9 in this case. So let's check it out. So you put it in at an angle like that. Make sure obviously you want the USB to plug in. So I'm gonna do that right now. And then slides right in, and then just push the phone down. Like so. Now I do have an Elixir screen protector on the phone, which goes all the way to the edge. And if you guys are wondering, in case any of you have that screen protector, it's compatible with this case. See no lifting, and this should work. So here it is fully installed. Check out the access to the fingerprint scanner, wide open, so it should work, no problems. And right now we're at 27%. Turn this case on right now. So you can see 27% battery. So let's turn this on right now. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, and let's go. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000. Okay, that's about 3 seconds. You can see the indicator right there. A total of 4 LED indicators. 2 are lit up, meaning the battery's about 50% charge. And you have a blinking one right there, meaning that the battery pack is charging the phone. Okay, flip it over, and I'm trying to get in here. 28%, and the phone is charging. Turn this off. Okay, now the LEDs are off, so there's no charging. Pressing the button right now, and there you go. It is charging the phone. Now the Note 9 already has a 4000 mAh battery, but if you're a hardcore user, you need that extra battery life for like 2 days or 3 days, whatever the case may be, consider this case. On this side, take a look at the thickness. Now let's check out the buttons. The power button. Power button is nice and clicky. So you can see, fingerprint scanner works. Check out the volume rocker. if I can find it. There we go. Now the volume rocker is a little bit flat with the case, slightly mushy, but once you find it, give it a good press, it'll work. In Bixby, give that a hard press, that works. I don't use Bixby, so I'm just gonna close it out. And let's check out the access to the S Pen. No issues with that. You can pull it out easily, put it back in. Now you don't get that much of a front lip on this one, so if you rock this case, I highly recommend a tempered glass screen protector. So this is the ZeroLemon battery pack case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. If you're interested in this, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.